Hey, hello everyone, this is Castillo from moneymakerarea.com, and in this video I'm going to show you an easy way in which you can actually make money online. This is something that works worldwide, and if you don't have PayPal, okay, because they pay through PayPal, don't worry if you don't have PayPal because they have other ways in which you can withdraw the money. But before I get into the topic, if this is the very first time you're in my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm updating my channel pretty consistently, and I usually talk about how to make money online, passive income, email marketing, affiliate marketing, traffic sources, and related topics. So if this is something that you want to go ahead and master, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm updating my channel pretty consistently, and I don't want you to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you a simple way in which you can make money online. You can do it from your home, okay? You can do it from your computer, or if you have a smartphone, that's okay. It doesn't matter where you are because this is worldwide, and again, you can get paid with PayPal, or they do have another ways in which you can get paid. Okay. Please don't jump into the website as soon as I mention it. Watch the video. Why I mention this? Because I know that there are people out there who are desperate and they're like, oh, I'm going to go to this website. And they are then like, this is a scam. This doesn't work, blah, 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 because you guys don't follow instructions, okay? Watch the video. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do if you want to make money online, okay? So now let's jump into my computer. The website is called superpay.me. Again, don't go into the website right away, okay? Watch the entire video so you can know how you can make money. Because sometimes people are like, yeah, blah, 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 I'm going to do it by my way, blah, blah, blah. And then this quote unquote doesn't work, okay? There is a third-party website. It's called Reviews.io, okay? This is actually from UK, okay? 97% of the people recommend superpay.me, okay? So this is a legit website. This is not a scam. This is not a website that you're going to be by yourself, and then if you need support or help, no one's going to help you, okay? So 97% of the people recommend this website. First of all, you're going to be able to make money with free paid surveys today. They do have a fast payment. It's actually between 24 hours, but it's usually faster. It's between 2 to 8 hours. There is a low cash threshold. I'm going to show you that in a moment. Again, you can work from home. You can use your cell phone. You can use your computer. They're going to give you promo codes and cash contests, so you can even make way more money. This is free paid surveys and offers. You're going to have a joint bonus, which is 20 cents. And they do have a referral program, okay? They have paid so far over $3 million, okay? They can pay you with PayPal, Tango Cards, Amazon, Skrill, and Bitcoin. Yes, you hear it right, Bitcoin. So there is no excuses. This is a worldwide opportunity. You're going to join in less than 2 minutes, and you're going to have a welcome bonus, which is 20 cents. It's really easy. When you join, they're going to ask you for your name, your last name, your address. Please don't use a VPN, because if not, your account is going to be shut down. You need to have a username, and that's it. You're good to go. Okay, you're going to take part in surveys and offers. You can also earn by watching videos and completed paid offers. You can get paid with Amazon, but also you can get paid with gift cards with Starbucks, Nike, Macy's, or Bitcoin, PayPal, and Skrill. Okay, here is a video that explains basically how they work. They have been on the market since 2012, and at the time they record this video, they had to pay over $2 million. Okay, so you're gonna earn money just by sharing your opinion. They say like you're gonna earn points. Actually, the surveys that I have been working on and the tasks that I did, I was earning cash, not just points. Okay, so you can work from home at any location, at the time that suits you. And here are some other opinions, okay? So again, they have been on the market since 2012. So this is not something that it's gonna disappear. You can find them on Facebook and you can find them on Twitter, and they do also have an Instagram account. As you can see, again, 97% recommend superpay.me. Okay, here are some payment proof. Okay, so for example, today it's March the 30th. So as you can see, Angeline, she get paid $2.74 with PayPal, $2.42. This guy with PayPal, $1, $27, $9, $11, $7, $4, and so on. So they have over 24,000 payment proofs. So if 97% of the people recommend it, I'm pretty sure it's because they follow instructions. Okay. So again, really easy, really simple. You're gonna join for free. Click here where it says join free today. Okay, and you're gonna get paid. Okay. Exactly there on the registration form, they're gonna ask you for your PayPal account, your Bitcoin wallet, and there is another payment method that they ask right away, but I don't remember right now. Okay, so here's the offer wall. I personally don't like the offer wall. I prefer to go with the paid surveys. So I click here in this area, paid surveys. You can see my surveys, the daily surveys, and other surveys. Please follow the instructions, because I was not following the instruction. I was like, boom, 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 boom. I'm going to do this really fast. And then I was wasting my time. Okay, you need to click on the title of the offers you wish to complete. Not here, not here, but here, okay? Then you need to complete the offers and instruct this in the requirements. You need to leave the completion page open and allow the time for the credit to appear on your account, okay? It's not that you're going to be doing the survey right away and cancel it right away. No, leave it open so it's going to be credited in your account. Okay, again, first, you're going to click here on the title. You're going to complete it, and you are going to leave it open. So you're going to allow the system to credit the money, because it's actually money, 80 cents to your account. So as you can see here, we have different surveys, 80 cents, $1.10, 55 cents, 36 cents, 33 cents, 21 cents, 26, 55, 32, and so on. Okay, here is the actual Facebook page. So if you have some problems, some issues, you can reach them, and you can also follow them on Twitter. They do have some promos on Instagram, so they do have their Instagram here as well. Okay, so this is something that it caught my attention because this is live. You can post here, you can write your message here, hello, and you can post it. So if you have a problem, you can put it here. But as you can see, people are earning money, and this is live. 80 cents, 12.25 in cash, $1.35, 2 cents. Okay, here are the points. As I told you, I'm not really doing the points. I actually go to the service to make actual money. Okay, so this is actually live. They do have something that is called the cash contest. You can click here. Right now it's a $1,000 cash contest. Okay, it's free to enter and all members are included automatically, but you need to be in the top 20. Okay, you need to be in the top 20. So right now, this person, because this is gonna end tomorrow, it was run from January the 1st to March the 31st. This person earned so far $3,745 with 62 cents. Okay, so you can make money not only by completing the surveys, but also by, being here on the contest. Okay, and this is something that I want to show you. You can see this guy, Lost in Woods. He or she made $700. So in total, in this month, in this period between October to December, he or she earned over $4,000. This person was on the top spot again from the time between July the 1st to September the 30th. Again, $4,000 and the price was $350. Okay, this person again from April the 1st to June 30th, 2019, again $350. This person on that period made over $4,000. So there are people who are doing serious money because they are treated this like a business. So I want you to take that into consideration. If you are going to be doing this for a hobby, you're going to get hobby results. Again, here are the payment proof. Okay. And what about the payment methods, Ian? Okay, I'm excited about this. I want to take part of this. How I'm going to get paid? Well, you can get paid, again, with PayPal. Remember that all the payments are going to be reviewed and paid between 24 hours, but more commonly between 2 to 8 hours. The minimum payment, remember that there is a low threshold. It's $1. When you join, you're going to earn 20 cents. So that means that you need to complete one survey and you're going to have $1. They have what is called instant PayPal. It's $1 and Bitcoin, it's $40. Okay. So they also have a referral program. So you're going to have your link and you're going to earn 25%. Okay. Or whatever the person you refer made. Okay. So if you want to take part of this, I'm going to leave a link. I'm going to leave the link below. Again, this is worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you are. If you want to earn with Bitcoins, you can do it. If you want to get paid with PayPal, you can do it that way. But you need to take action. You need to do the test. Again, this is not my number one recommendation to make money online. I rather prefer to do passive income, but this is a good way if you are right now at home, okay? And you want to, to use your time wisely. Maybe you have a family member, a friend. You can use your referral code and you're going to make money just not by, doing your task, but by referring someone, right? But again, this is not my number one recommendation. If you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, I mean, serious money, with passive income, make money while you travel, while you sleep, while you're enjoying time with your family, I'm going to leave a link below. That's going to be the very first link in the description. If you enjoy this content, please give me a thumbs up. That's going to help me. It's going to help my video. It's going to help my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And I see you on the next video.